Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on or enable public folder sharing on Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Expand all networks. Check Turn on Sharing under Public Folder Sharing. Also check Turn on Password Protected Sharing. Click Save Changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.